We're here in Wellen Park Golf and Country Club. They have some of the best amenities here in Wellen Park. They compete directly with Beach Walk, Palmera, and Brightmore for the amount of amenities they'll have. They have a tiki bar, they have a restaurant, they have a big resort-style pool, 4 satellite pools. It's a must-see. Schedule your tour today with David and Christy Griffin, 361-815-3193. Now let's take a look at one of these beautiful homes. We're here at the only 55 plus community in Wellen Park, Florida. It's called Brightmore. We're taking a look today at a villa. They're hot and they're selling like hot cakes. Let's take a look. The amenities here are crazy awesome. This is your 2-car garage now. Don't get too excited. They're not this long usually. I think they made this one longer for storage for all the construction because this is the model, so. I'm sure if you build one of these, you can have a bigger garage as an option. Beautiful glass door here. Nice accent walls. This is not standard, that's an upgrade. My handyman will definitely help you out with these shelves and accent walls if that's what you like. This is a beautiful den here. Plenty of light. Some of them have poker tables, some of them have pool tables. Off to the right here, we have your guest bedroom. Again, lots of light. We have a guest bath here with a full stand-up shower. To the right here, we have the laundry room right behind the kitchen. And here we have upgraded appliances. We have the 4-door refrigerator, which is really nice. It's an open living space with tall cabinetry, soft close, doors. All of these come with their own backsplashes as well. That's not something you'll have to do, but you will put in your own pendants, fan light combos. It's very spacious. There's lots of different options for your lanai. You can have a screened out lanai. You can have a little patio in your backyard. Here in the owner's suite, we have a beautiful crowned tray ceiling, and of course, hurricane impact windows and doors. This is all available for the high threes. They have an activities director. There's plenty to do all the time. You're gonna make lots of great friends here in Brightmore, like-minded. They have group tours, group cruises, you name it. For more information on this particular home and more homes similar to this in this development, contact David and Christy Griffin Realtors at 361-815-3193. Today we're here in Palmera, some of the best amenities here in Wellen Park, one of the newest subdivisions. These are the Mattamy coach homes. And this side, they're on a big, huge lake. I can't tell if I'm up north on Lake Michigan or if I'm in Wellen Park here in Florida. It's so beautiful. Let's take a look at it. These are luxury coach homes. So you have the high vaulted ceilings, you have the lighting package, you have high-end appliances, you know, big tall cabinetry, soft close. This is 1,900 square foot. Right here we have a den, which can double as a guest room. There is no closet though, but it has plenty of natural light. Let's take a gander back here towards the 2-car garage. Off to the right here, we're gonna have the laundry room. Here we have a full bedroom. And again, big hurricane impact windows and doors. Lots of beautiful light. We have a full bath here. Very spacious garage with overhead storage and epoxy floor. It's a nice touch. And this is nice and wide. You can definitely get 2 cars in here. Nice large pantry, wow. And then of course we have the owner's suite here. Oh, right in the front of the unit. Look at that beautiful view. 3 big hurricane impact windows. It is windy today and you can't hear a thing. We have a double vanity bath. Walk-in shower and a walk-in closet. Very nice. This is a very great option for a maintenance-free home, second home down here in beautiful Wellen Park, Florida. Contact David and Christy Griffin Realtors. We are the coastal living team here in Southwest Florida. Our phone number is 361-815-3193, and you can get this coach home for around the mid-4s. Call about more incentives on